So hi guys, how's it going? In today's video I'm going to convert the reverse light on the BMW M235i with some LED light bulbs from Auxito. Well, Auxito is a company that specializes in LED conversion for any vehicle. So if you want to check out their website, I'll put down the link in the description down below. Also guys, stay tuned until the end of the video. I have some great deals for you for some Auxito LED bulb conversion for your car. So better stay tuned for that until the end of the video. So now let's get started. So to remove the taillights, you have to pop the two covers that's hiding the two 10mm nut on this section. Pop out the cover and remove the two 10mm nut. You're gonna need a deep socket or an extension for your 10mm socket for that. Then after that, you have to pry with a trim tool on this area here to pop out the grommet connection of the taillights. So once you pop it out, you have to unplug the cable by using a flathead screwdriver to pop this gray part of the connector, and then just press this and pull. Then you can release that connector from the assembly. And also the cable bracket is just easy to pop out from the taillight assembly. So once you remove the taillight assembly, put it on something soft so you don't scratch the lens on the taillights. Then after that, you have to pop all these tabs here, but be careful when you try to pop it out. Be gentle on it. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 tabs you have to pop out, but you have to be gentle. You don't want to break the plastic. So you can do it one by one gently, and then once you release all the tabs, then you can pull out this light assembly. As you can see, the assembly is still incandescent bulb. So the one we're gonna replace is the reverse light. Is this one. So this one is where we're gonna install the Auxito LED bulb. So we're gonna convert this to an LED. Also, it helps if you have a small screwdriver to pop out the tabs one by one. You're gonna need a small screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver for that to help you on releasing the tabs. So now it's time to install the LED bulb from Auxito. Nice. You can already tell the quality on this bulb. It's so nice. That's how you know when you got good quality bulb, that the workmanship is very good, the way they build the bulb. So in this area here, this is where the reverse light is. So this is the one we're gonna replace. As you can see on the LED, you got two prongs taken out. So this is the one you have to guide through the channel on the socket of the bulb. While you're pushing it in, you have to twist it to lock it in place. So this one I'm gonna take it out now. So I twist it and pull. See, as you can see, they're the same type. So I'm gonna install this now. I'm gonna guide it to the channel and twist. There you go. Now it's okay. And also I can see that the bulbs are a bit dusty. So before I install it back, I'm just gonna give it a good wipe. Make sure they're nice and clean, dust-free bulbs. And also make sure that the gasket is seated properly on the groove before you put it back on the taillight assembly. Otherwise you can have some moisture problem. So make sure they're seated properly before you install this assembly. So now this is ready to be installed. So to install it back, it's very easy. All you have to do is press it back in place. So you have to align all the tabs before you press it in, and make sure that the gasket doesn't fall while you're pressing it in. Align all the tabs. I'm gonna press it in now. Okay. So once you hear the click, that means the tab is already locked in place. So now all you have to do now is do the reverse process to install it back on the car. So it's gonna be the same process for the other lights, so I'm not gonna show that to you. So all you have to do is do the same thing and install the LED bulbs, and that's it. So guys, I really like the result of that LED bulb for my reverse light. Now it's brighter and whiter. So the old one was a bit yellowish and it's not too bright, but now because of the LED, it's whiter and brighter. So guys, if you want to convert your car to LED bulbs, I have the link down on the description below, and if you use my code EDCARDIY, you save yourself 15% off on anything you buy on the store. So guys, that's a good savings for you. So don't wait up. Convert your car to LED and save 15% at the same time by using the code EDCARDIY. So guys, I hope you liked the video. So please give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.